Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open vitamin D injection step by step. Start by washing hands, laying out supplies on a clean surface, and verifying the vial label and dose. Inspect the vial for damage or discoloration, then cleanse the rubber stopper with an alcohol swab in a circular motion, and allow it to air dry before moving to the syringe setup. Gather a sterile syringe and needle, keeping them in their packaging until needed, and confirm the needle gauge matches the prescribed administration route. Open the syringe pack carefully, holding only the outer barrel to avoid contaminating the tip or plunger, then attach the needle using a twisting motion that keeps sterility intact. Check the assembly for any debris or looseness before drawing the medication from the vial. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials and share with someone who might benefit. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long prep sessions and to keep my setup tidy and focused. It pairs well with careful procedures and staying alert. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inject air into the vial to equalize pressure, then insert the needle and invert the vial to draw the exact prescribed amount slowly and steadily. Keep the needle tip submerged to prevent sucking air and withdraw slightly more than needed to allow bubble removal. Tap the syringe to move bubbles upward, expel them carefully to the dose mark, and double-check the volume is precise before preparing to administer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.